झरमेच्यो उदकाचे कटकटी नवी पायपलायन आनी टाकी घालून तडीक लायता म्हूण थंयचे ईन सांगला। आमदार प्रताप सिंग राणेन लोकांबरोबर PWD अधिकाऱ्यांची गावातच बसका घेतली।
First of all, we are going to lay a new pipeline and install a new tank so that we get sufficient water here, because basically we don't have sufficient water to be distributed here. And whatever allegations are there regarding people direct connections on the line, that we are going to take on priority, we are going to sort it out. And if there is any excess water anywhere, some people getting continuous water, that we are going to investigate and divert their water. And moreover, I think we have to take care of all the operators to see that they do their duties properly and sincerely.
Yesterday I given a call. Last 15 days, Dhave village is there. Dhave.
Yeah.
So they are not getting the water because your one pump is failure.
No. I heard that the pump is okay. I investigated. You told me yesterday. I checked up. The pump is okay, but there's low voltage. You know what happens? I believe that normally the voltage is about 400 LT supply. But when this irrigation puts on their pumps for that local distribution, the voltage dropped to 330. It's not the pump. Pump is okay, but it's the voltage.
The solution is to increase the size of the pipeline. It's a long-term effect. Short-term, they have to see that the pumping is done more than the time required, for 6 or 7 hours, and then they will get water. But the line is small. That's why it's taking time. You have to change the size of the pipeline and increase the size of the tank. That's all.